Race number 7. And they're up. AJ Special Zadar down on the inside. Bright Olympian sneaking in by the rail. Mondesta together is Misbehave. Then moving up is King Manjo. Next in line, Jen's Joy, Theatrical Kiss, Take Me Tonight, and Don. Eduardo's Best is running at the tail of the field. Past the half-mile pole, we have AJ Special in command. Zadar moving up on the outside. Bright Olympian by the rail is Mondestar. Then next in line, Misbehave. Moving up now is King Manjo. Take Me Tonight, Jen's Joy. Followed by Don Eduardo's Best and Theatrical Case. Now in behind them as the action turns for home. AJ Special, Bright Olympian on the outside. Zadar, Mondestar, King Manjo now getting closer in peep, and down the stretch they come. AJ Special still leading the field. Zadar down on the inside, moving up now to take third. Jen's Joy and King Manjo. AJ Special, King Manjo moving up by the rail. AJ Special and final AJ Special, King Manjo. Then comes Jen's Joy. Zadar, Take Me Tonight, Bright Olympian.